What's up guys, welcome to Indian FIA. In this video, I am going to show you an Indian recipe made using spinach. It's a famous recipe made around different parts of the India which is also known as Palak Paneer. I will start with blanching the spinach and make a masala which will later be assembled with paneer and we will end up with this amazing recipe. So let's get right into it. I am starting with this packed spinach which is triple washed. For this recipe, try to use the triple washed spinach and you will know it why later in the video. I will start with a pan full of water and we will keep it on high heat. Wait until your water starts boiling. We have to blanch this spinach for hardly 1 to 2 minutes only. I will wait for this spinach to cool down and do not throw this water as we will use it later in the video. Next I am going to make a masala. We will use half a onion, 1 tomato, a small piece of ginger and few cloves of garlic. First goes cumin seeds. Next we will add the garlic, ginger and onions. We just have to saute these onions for 2 to 3 minutes only. Next goes tomatoes. Let's add some water now. We will let this masala cook for around 5 minutes. All of my tomatoes have mashed, so we will turn off the heat and let it cool down. I will transfer my masala to a mixer grinder jar. My masala is too dry, so I have to add some water here. But for this water, I am going to use the spinach water. And this is why I was asking to use the triple wash spinach. I am going to transfer this water into containers. And we will use this water to grind our masala. Let's start the final step for our recipe. I am using desi ghee, but you can also use butter or other cooking oils. Let's add some spices now. First goes table salt. Next goes coriander powder. Next goes cumin powder. Next goes spicy red chili. Next I am adding the Kitchen King masala here. If you don't have Kitchen King masala, you can actually skip it. Let's cover this masala and grind our spinach. If your spinach is too dry, you can add some water here. Let's add our spinach to the masala. I will take 2 tablespoons of yogurt here. This yogurt will help in reducing the bitter taste from our spinach. And keep checking your spinach, otherwise it may stick to the bottom of your pan. Let's add our yogurt now. I will add 2 teaspoons of sugar here. Let's mix all of this and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So after few minutes your spinach will start getting dried. You can add the spinach water, but if you have used the fresh spinach and you have thrown the water, you can simply use normal warm water here. Let's mix all of this and let it cook for few more minutes. Next I am going to add the paneer to my recipe. The last thing I am going to add here is garam masala. This recipe is fully ready and you can enjoy it with fresh roti or even rice. Now if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the another video. Goodbye.